In this video, I will show you how to create outlines for text and customize them for your design needs in Adobe Illustrator. First, select your text. Right-click and choose Create Outlines to convert the text into editable vector shapes. This allows you to manipulate each letter as a separate object. Next, navigate to the top menu, go to Object, then Path, and select Offset Path. In the dialog box, enter your desired offset value. This step creates a duplicate outline that is either expanded outward or contracted inward, depending on the value entered. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, open the Pathfinder panel and use the Unite option to merge all the shapes into one cohesive outline. This simplifies your design, ensuring all overlapping elements are combined. At this stage, remove the fill color by clicking on the fill box in the toolbox and choosing None. Then add a stroke color and set its weight to achieve the desired thickness for your outlines. Use the stroke panel to adjust properties such as stroke width, caps, or corners to refine your design. Finally, inspect your artwork for any unwanted or overlapping shapes. Use the Direct Selection tool to delete these elements, ensuring a clean and polished result. For more Illustrator tips and tricks, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials.